Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with DonorPerfect fundraising software. DonorPerfect is fundraising management software designed for nonprofits of all sizes. Its main purpose is to streamline donation processing, track donor relationships, and manage fundraising campaigns. Key features include donor databases, online donation forms, reporting tools, and grant management capabilities. Their website provides details on their various pricing plans and features. DonorPerfect positions itself as a comprehensive solution offering robust functionality without the complexity of some larger CRM systems. They emphasize ease of use and a focus on helping nonprofits maximize their fundraising efforts. They claim to offer transparent pricing with no hidden fees, although specific pricing details are available on their website. Availability is widespread, catering to organizations across the globe. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using DonorPerfect. Getting started was relatively straightforward. The initial setup took me about an hour, mostly spent importing my existing donor data from a spreadsheet. The interface was intuitive enough, though it did take a bit of getting used to the various tabs and menus. I found the donor database particularly helpful, allowing me to easily search, filter, and segment my donors. Creating online donation forms was also very easy. The drag-and-drop interface made it simple to customize the forms to my needs. The reporting tools were impressive. I could easily generate reports on donation amounts, donor demographics, and campaign performance. The system performed reliably. I never experienced any significant slowdowns or crashes. I had a quick question about setting up recurring donations, and their support responded within a day via email, very helpful and efficient. I was really impressed by how easy it was to track donor engagement and personalize communication. One minor drawback was the somewhat limited mobile app functionality. It's functional, but doesn't offer the full range of desktop features. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for things like creating custom reports, but the online help documentation was very useful. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with DonorPerfect. It has streamlined my fundraising processes considerably and provided valuable insights into my donor base. That's my overview of DonorPerfect fundraising software. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.